All right, so we bring you more cars and more robots. So we have a 4-wheel drive car kit. It's a little different, this one. This one comes with the remote control that we need to put together. It has sensor, ultrasonic, pretty fast, and a 4x4. I'm going to show you this open box now. How are we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab, and I have to see, plenty of robots. And this time we have a 4-wheel drive, and this one is nice because it includes the remote control. And I'll show you right now this open box. All right, so we see right over here the 4-wheel drive car kit. This one is pretty simple to put together. Remember, you can always get the information from the GitHub. That's what I like about this. You can download the whole files, and they give you here, you download the PDF file. So the chassis, so the main thing is pretty simple. It's only 2 acrylic parts. It's going to be pretty simple to put that together. We have the 4-wheel. We have seen these motors before in other projects. They're pretty powerful. They're cool. When there's 4, they can pick up some speed. So we have 4 of those. Batteries 18, 16, 50. All right, you need to get the batteries for this. Okay, no batteries included. There are 3 points. Yes, 18. And 650, 3.7 volts. I will leave you the link right below this video. Few things here what we have to build. So this one has some parts acrylic, mechanic part, the remote shield, also the main board control, USB cable, and screw sensors and much more. So this one is your remote control that you need to put together. That's why I like this, because it has it's nice to control this. You can control this with an app as well too, but I think with this it's much better. So you need to put together a few parts, but I like the remote control. They use a 9-volt battery, and that there, and the 2 sensor boards. So one includes one you have to install here, and the other one needs to go into the car. We need to reprogram this with Arduino. We're gonna have to program this later on, but it's cool remote control. I like this. Again, you can use the app if you want, but I think with this is much better. It's cooler and better to work with that. So that's your remote control. All right, so that on this box we include the screws, some sensors here. This is the RGB module. It controls there. Let me see. Yes, this is RGB module. We got all the screws, tools, and cables, RGB lights, all the cable, even tape. And the tape is if you're gonna do like a sensor. Yes, it has sensor below, so it will follow the line. So you can have this and put it in the table and do a circle, and will follow the line, and includes all the sensors there. Right, if you want to activate that. All right, so that's that, and this part. And again, yes, this includes RGB, the jumper cable, USB cables, and the bracket for the motor, mechanical, and multi-span, all the cables for that. And then in this one includes the receiver, and this includes some of the receivers that was below. So that's the one that will follow the lines. The Bluetooth transmitter. We have a little servo here. I think that's to move the head, or to move the ultrasonic part. The ultrasonic, and the main shield, or the main board. I can see it over here already. This is the infrared. So that will be the one. It goes up in the car. Even includes that remote control if you want, but I think when you build the other one is much better. And this is the board for the ultrasonic. And that's it. This is all the parts that will require to build this super cool car. Everything comes pretty much nice and organized. That's what I like it. And these instructions are pretty, I will have to say they are pretty clear to follow. And I always said review it before it starts. All right, review, and then you'll be super okay with this. That's it, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I will leave the link right below this video, and the batteries too, because you need batteries to work with this car. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.